I love Spaetzle. Why? Because it's a pasta, and anything that has to do with pasta, I dig. But this is pasta made in a different way. So the first thing we're gonna start off with is about 3/4 cup of water. Okay? Then we're gonna get 2 eggs. There we go. Touch of some salt. And some flour. 2 cups. Now this I will actually measure. Although the eggs are a little bit different size, I'm actually gonna measure this. I just try to keep it somewhat legitimate. There you go, how's that? Did I clear that off with a knife good enough? Okay, here we go. Okay. Now, here's the beginning of this. Stir this up. Here's what we got. A colander, this Spaetzle mixture, which you can see is really tacky, almost a little bit runny. And this right here is with eggs, water, 2 cups of flour, and a little bit of salt. And we're gonna be going into some salted water here in a second. Put a little bit of salt in there. Okay, boiling water. And with this dough blade, this knife, I'm just gonna start to cut this through the bottom of the colander and just dropping right in there. That's good for that batch. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, okay? So take a look at this. Now we'll just give this a quick little stir, and what's gonna happen here is as these start to float, they'll be done, we'll pull them out, and then hit them into this awesome butter sauce, which I need to work on my butter sauce. So, let me move this back here, grab a saute pan, and let's talk about butter sauce. So we're gonna start with butter and a little olive oil. There we go. There we go. Okay, now let's grab some fresh herbs. Now what kind of herbs do we want to put in this? One of the herbs that goes along with it so well is marjoram. Now what does it taste like? You don't use it very often. It tastes like kind of mild oregano. Get some of that in there. We'll get some chives in there. And we'll get some parsley. Just the leaves, okay? A couple cloves of garlic. We'll give it a little smash to start it off with. Then as we dice it, it's already done for us. It's race for time right now to make sure that butter doesn't burn. Okay, here we go. Bring that all together. Back to the butter and the olive oil, perfect. Now before this gets too hot on me, just a touch of some white wine, like a little bit of that acid coming in there. Nice and easy, bring it over here. Look at that, that flavor is just gonna be awesome. Little hot Spaetzle. So I made this Spaetzle from the colander into the hot water. Now sitting here draining it off, and I've got this fantastic herb butter that is sitting here, ready to go, which I will bring right over and dump it in. Look at that. Give this a little double cook. So we've got the marjoram, the chives, the parsley, the butter, a little white wine. We'll just hit a touch of some Parmesan, salt, a little black pepper. There's some garlic in here as well. Look at that. Oh, you should smell the fresh herbs